Welcome to the lesson that will demonstrate how to use the Photostylist app in Canva. You'll want to pick up the template by clicking on the image and opening up the link. Go ahead and choose Edit Template, and it will load in Canva if you're already logged into Canva. If you're not logged into Canva, you will need to do so, and I recommend logging in through Google with your school account. So here it is. You're going to be adding an example of before and then an after you apply the app. I'm going to show you some examples of a project that I put together. I used photos that I took on various trips that I've taken. I did go ahead and use images from Pixabay. So if you have images that you've taken, I highly recommend that you use your own photos for this project. I will do a demonstration with photos from Pixabay, and then I will go ahead and show you some examples of how you can contribute different images to modify your original photo. So if you go to Pixabay, which is a fantastic site that allows you to use images in projects, and you won't be breaking copyright laws. So I went ahead and typed in buildings. I'm going to click on this image. I will choose the download option. I'll leave the default because that's a large image. I won't lose quality by using it, and choose download. I'm going to thank Pexels. So I'm going to go ahead and select Pexels and right click and choose copy. I will go to the project, and as you can see, I have a lot of people that I've already thanked. I'll hit enter, and then I will do Control V or right click and paste. What happens is you download it and it ends up in your downloads folder. So I'll go back to the project. I will choose uploads on the left hand side. I will choose upload files, and I will open up that image. You're going to need to add that as your before example. Once you have the image as your before example, you're ready to apply the app. So I'll go to apps over on the left. I will go ahead and look up Photostylist, and I will open that up. I will choose file. I will open up the original image, and you can choose one of these options down below. Let's say you choose sketch and you choose generate image. Once it's loaded, you can drag it into the after example, and you can see your before and your after. If you like it, go ahead and keep it. If you want to try something else, like maybe you want to add different colors or styles to the photo, then you can do that by choose file, load that image, and now we're going to go to Pixabay, and I'll go and type in Picasso, and it takes elements of those photos and applies it to your original. So we'll try this image. Now it might not generate an image that you like, so you can keep experimenting. I will choose download. I will be sure to select who to thank and add that to my presentation. I will go back to the presentation. I chose the original, and now on the second one I will choose file and upload that image and choose generate image. I'll drag it to the example, and I think that's actually more interesting than the sketch option that I chose. So I'll go ahead and do another example for you. So I'm going to try this example. I typed in portrait and got this image. I will choose download, download again, make sure I thank this person on my presentation. I will go back, I will choose uploads, upload file, select the image. So I have my before example, drag it out to replace that before. I will then go to apps, select Photostylist, and now I'm going to choose her photo again, and now I'm going to pick a style that I want to apply to this image. So I went to Google and I typed in artists, and I found Frida Kahlo. So I copied her name, I went back, I pasted it into Pixabay, and I'm going to go ahead and try this image just to see what's going to happen. I will choose download, download again, make sure to credit this source, go back. After choosing Photostylist and putting the before, I'm going to choose file and select that and choose generate image. I will go ahead and drag it and see what that looks like. So that's actually kind of interesting. If you don't like it, you can keep experimenting. I went ahead and I looked up art styles. You could choose an art style, and then you can go ahead and put it in a search in Pixabay to look for an image. Now, I'm not an art expert, so I don't know if this is an example of actual expressionism, but I like this. So I'm going to try this and choose download. And if I use it, I'm going to thank this person. So I will choose File. I will choose the original. I will go ahead and choose File again to get the example of what I want to apply and choose Generate Image. So I will go ahead and drag it to the after, and I like that one a little better. So this is kind of interesting. So you want to come in and you really want to play and experiment. Once you're done with your presentation, you would choose Share in the upper right corner. You would then choose Download, change it from a PNG to an MP4 video, and choose Download. Once it's downloaded, it will be in your Downloads folder for you to be able to share with anyone in the world. This concludes the session on how to use Photostylist in Canva. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.